Alright, so what is good, everybody on YouTube? This is of course your boy B, Bullet RC, coming at you guys again with the video. Earlier today I did do a little video on that latest Pusha T disc, so that should be up on channel right now. Maybe you want to go peep that. I had a few people asking me my opinions on this Drake Pusha T shit since I am from VA, so I chimed in, dropped a video. Maybe you already seen it already, but if you haven't, you can go ahead and peep it right after this video. And before we start, y'all already know what I gotta do, bro. Shouts out to the Finesse Gang. Those who get here early, subscribe, finesse the bell, leave a like, and drop a comment early on the video, and you might see your name up on the screen right here. So today, listen, the heat has landed at the doorstep, and I also gotta say salutes to my homie Brian. He has allowed me to unbox a blessing that he came up on. But we got two boxes of heat. One is an early unboxing, and one was, man, I don't know how he got them because I didn't get these drinks at all. I lost. Now, one is from eBay, and this is the early sneaker pickup. So honestly, I'm hoping that they're real because I got them for a really, really good price, and I got them early. And this one, you already know what the stripes on the box mean. That is a Nike unboxing. But in addition to the double unboxing, I wanted to hit the thrift today because first off, it is Wednesday, which means it's half off everything. And I stopped by a thrift yesterday. It was super empty. It's usually super packed. And the guy told me they were getting 26 racks of new stuff in today. So that could either mean we could come away with some blessings or not that many blessings at all. So what we're gonna do is, first off, Finesse Gang, I gotta move you off the screen so I can just, you know, frame up correctly. So Finesse Gang, I appreciate y'all, but I gotta move y'all off the screen. Let me toss this in the background. And like I was saying, bruh, today's mission. First off, we're gonna hit the thrift and see if we can find any blessings. We're gonna come straight back here, get into this early unboxing, and then hit up that Nike unboxing. I might do the Nike one first or the early one second, who knows. But let's not waste any more time, bro. Let's hop in the whip, hit the thrift so we can get back here and do this unboxing. Let's get it.
All nights, quick speed, gas speed, speed of light, grease, lightning, leather on my 6-speed bike. Bicycle tires, icicle diamonds, popsicle stripes, popsicles for the Klondike, pop willies on a dynamite. 15 selling China white, cop stopping if you opposite of white, pop like you opposite of right. Take heed, little nigga, low key, take lead on them niggas.
Smooth dude, ride around the boulevard, back in the days was on the train.
Alright, y'all, and we are back. You already know what time it is, bruh. Salvation Army, family stores in the background. And hopefully homie had the good scoop and I don't walk in here and it's dead like it was yesterday. He said it's supposed to be 26 new racks of shit in here. So hopefully we can get some blessings. Next up, Salvation Army, let's get it.
Ride the bus for ride another nigga way.
Beautiful, the water's flat like Ashes pre-Onika. You the smaller version, you the baby sneaker.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
My God, that was a big ass waste of gas to come out here. Ain't no shit on the racks, they ain't update nothing. Man, let's get back to the crib, bro. I'll see y'all in a few.
20 minutes later.
Alright, y'all, and we are back. Listen, that guy is not the thrift plug. Super dead. Same shit as yesterday, but I still had these two unboxings, and I figured we start off with this one because I personally really want to see this shoe in person because I put it at the bottom of my list as far as this shoe goes. And no, I did not get lucky on these. My homie, once again, shouts out to the homie B-Rye. He let me go ahead and unbox them for him. He gave me the box. He hasn't even seen the shoes yet. He said, yo, go ahead, you can unbox them, blah blah. But this pair will be going back to him after this video. So let's go ahead and get into it, bruh. Blam, side flap, another side flap, and y'all should already kind of know what's going on. I mean, y'all see the box, you know, just you can just pop it up. Hold on, it's little dings here. I gotta pop it up. You know, some a little light in the studio today. See his receipt, blah. And here is the actual shoe box. Here is, of course, this is the off-white Air Jordan 1, the UNC joints. Now I'm gonna be very, very careful while I talk about this shoe because this is not my pair. So you guys know how these drop, they drop randomly. I missed on the original release, and then the next day they actually sent some stuff out for certain people, and I guess he got through. There was only size like 6 and 7 when he was trying to go through, so he tried for a size 6 and he actually got a size 6. And in hand, I can definitely see why a lot of people were liking these. So since this is my first time, I've actually never seen the packaging. The paper is clear, says like off-white on the paper right here. And then it does come with blue and orange lace. And so blam, got your Carolina blue, your orange laces on the inside, separately packed. I know a lot of these are going through the resale market right now. So this is how it should look. Somebody was asking me too, about this Chinese tag on the inside. Even my 11s came with it, so if that's in there, you're good. Somebody was asking me, are they fake if they come with that? Nah, I think you're good to go. It's some type of quality control tag, I would assume. But here they are, bruh, and the super small size Virgil Nike off-white Air Jordan 1. And once again, bro, I can see how people are really digging this Carolina blue pair. I think they really do look nice. And matter of fact, let me just go ahead and switch up the camera angles real quick, show you guys these a little bit closer up with the good lens, and then we can get to that next unbox from eBay, which I'm still hoping is all good. So here's a quick little close-up on these joints right here. Very clean, bruh. I still think I'm taking the Chicago and the white pair over these, but if you've never seen off-white Air Jordan 1s, here they are, nice and clear in that 4K. You got your tagging that is right here. You guys can see the made in China tagging on the top. That same netting material as on the Air Max 90 behind the swoosh, as well as on the toe bed. Towards the inside, of course, you got that leather. You got this weird grayish material back here, orange stitching on the front on the actual swoosh. Underneath the swoosh, of course, there is nothing down there. And keeping with that unfinished feel, you guys can see on the top, just around the collar, that was another detail that I really liked on the off-white 90s and some of the other shoes, that this unfinished kind of look on the top towards the back of the heel. You got it on the tongue right here as well. Just a lot going on with this shoe right here. Of course, they did come with the white shoelaces on the inside of these joints. And overall though, a very, and let me zoom out a little bit, a really clean shoe nonetheless. Trust me, I would have loved to have gotten this shoe for retail off the drop, but listen, man, the sneaker guys were not with me that day. You do have the regular off-white tagging. And now it is time to get into my other box. So let's go ahead. Y'all seen these off-white Air Jordan 1s, we got them. Let's get into this next box. Alright, so in this box right here, we got an early pickup from eBay. And man, I can't remember the last time I've actually gone on eBay and ordered some sneakers. I'm not scared of eBay. I know how some people are. They're definitely scared of it. Some people don't really trust eBay. There's a lot of different ways to get sneakers these days. I mean, you got StockX, you got Go. It's a lot of different things, but it's not bad to once in a while just go back and you can find some really good deals on eBay, just like this one right here. Now, this shoe has not released yet. The fakes are out of these. I did my research to try to just look and see, but y'all might have to help me on this one. Adidas Young 1 High Res Orange, Shock Yellow, and then B37613. This one came from California, and Buddy's his seller page or whatever on eBay. If it's legit, I'll link it down below. All right. So blam, don't need that anymore. This one, I mean, it looks fine. It looks all right. It just says Young 1 on the tag. High res orange, and shock yellow down there. And once again, bro, I haven't seen a real pair of these in hand yet. And let's see, bro, because I might have just got the jug. I might have got the jug, but I don't think I did. They seem all right. Y'all definitely might have to help me out with this one. And here's the close-up look at the Adidas Young 1. If y'all see anything funny, let me know. I might have to just do a little test and just post a picture of me wearing these on IG and see if anyone comments some red flags, because as of right now, these look good, they feel good, they smell good, and it's just nothing really wrong with them. I mean, overall, I like the shoe. I did try it on. It did fit pretty true to size. It was a little snug in the toe, just a little bit, but I think while I wear it and while I'm wearing through it, they'll be perfectly fine. It won't be a big deal. Just depends on how your foot is. I do have a wider foot, so I'm pretty sure the skinny foot gang out there would be good with their true size in this actual shoe. And one of the things I just noticed on some of the fakes was right here, that on the tongue, the Adidas logo was super sloppy. The embroidery was just kind of pretty trash on some of the fakes. And here's a close-up of the tag as well. Here's also a close-up of the tag on the back. Matter of fact, let me just go ahead and zoom in on that just a little bit so it's easier to see. Blam, that is what my tag actually came looking like right there. US size 12, everything else Adidas, some type of QR code or something down there, and that is what the tag on the inside of mine looks like. And just a close-up of some of the materials. I mean, you got the nice suedes on the insides, some embroidery, some ribboning going on for the 3 stripes, Adidas logo on the top, more of that nubuck and suede on the front, and the outsole on this one is pretty tough as well. If I just go ahead and show this off to y'all, it's like an all over orange and yellow. The whole shoe is orange, yellow, and navy blue, and down here it says it has some type of torsion system on the bottom. I don't really care about that. I just want them to look good, and yeah, they do that. They look good. So the unreleased early joints right here, the Adidas Young One, these just have really good shape to them, and I really like this colorway in particular. Let's go ahead and let's get up out of here. Alright, y'all, and that is gonna be a wrap for the video. Listen, man, y'all let me know how y'all thinking about this Young One. Also, let me know if you guys managed to cop the off-white UNC joints. That is it, though. Much love to all the fam, followers, and of course supporters. You guys can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, SoundCloud, Snapchat. The Snapchat is bull.cv, by the way. Here, there, Buzzbot, of course, Bullet RC, and nope, didn't drop it. And I will see y'all in that next video, man. Much love. Y'all be easy. I am out of here. Peace.
Like I wonder how I feel to live a be like you. Album number 3 and keep it G like Q. Heard you niggas get fly like G like 2. Nah, I'm more like 4 like 3, not 2. Shitting on these niggas like P like you. Drip Raheem and Q. Got high C like Juice. Mama hubby got life, he got 3 strikes too. Real nigga.